Hello and welcome to the How to Earn $1,000 a Month by Swing Trading Crypto series. In this video we're going to talk about Terra Luna Classic, or ticker symbol LUNC or LUNC. Go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Nothing I say in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm simply sharing my experience and my path with you. Only invest what you can stand to lose or be stuck holding for a long period of time. And beware of the spam in the comments. I'm never going to ask you to go to Telegram or WhatsApp or any other platform outside of YouTube. Alright, so if you see spam, just ignore it. There's no way affiliated with the channel. Alright, so now what comes to Terra Luna Classic, if you've invested in, bought, hold, sold, staked, planned on investing in the future, or if you're going to do more research, go ahead and put a hashtag LUNC in the comments. In this video we're going to talk about Terra Luna Classic. First we're going to start off with the all-time high, the date that occurred, and then the price that it came to during that time frame, and any significant events that led up to that all-time high. And then we'll go into the price action over the last 26 days. We're going to show you the high and low price for that time. Then we're going to pick out 5 of the best trading opportunities during that 26-day time period. And we'll do a simulated trade on all 5 of those top 5 trades to see if we were able to make $1,000 in 1 month in that 26-day time frame. Then we'll look at some other trading opportunities that didn't make the top 5 for that time frame, and from there we'll go into the tokenomics of Terra Luna Classic. We'll look at things like the current price, the market cap, and other valuable information to determine that will help us determine when the best time to buy and sell Terra Luna Classic for a trade. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at that all-time high for Terra Luna Classic, and that was a whopping $119.18, and that occurred April 5th, 2022. Now, slightly after the all-time high, if you look at the all-time chart, you'll notice that Terra Luna Classic took a huge dump, and it was down to several zeros in front of it. So that was due to a lot of issues, and I believe one of the pioneers was pretty much wanted, so to speak. But you can look at more about that if you would like. Alright, so now let's look at the price action on Terra Luna Classic. And our time frame that we'll look at will be, let's see, June 22nd to July 18th, which is 26 days as mentioned. And the high price on July 18th, where it hit 40694. And the low price here, June 22nd, which followed most of the crypto trend. It's when the Iran-Israel conflict, when the United States got involved. So that made a lot of crypto drop to its lowest point, then quickly rallied and recovered. So that price fell to 40509. Once again, that was June 22nd. So let's look at our top 5 trading opportunities here. Here on the 22nd, and it sold on the 25th, a 3-day turnaround at 10.7% profit margin. Then a little later on, July 2nd to July 3rd, 2-day or 1-day turnaround of 7.2%. That's pretty good. And then we had to wait a little longer here from the 5th to the 11th, 6 days, but we got 15.5% on that one. Here from the 12th of July to the 16th of July, 4-day turnaround, we got 6.3%. And then a quick, the 17th to the 18th, a 1-day turnaround of 9.4%, possibly the best opportunity this month. So let's look at some of the other opportunities. Got a little nick here. Right outside here, these little ups and downs. But I would say from here to here would be a different, maybe a 5% from this low, or this low to this high. Just little dips here. Not much mentioning. Here's a decent one from here to there. That's maybe only about 3%. Same thing here to there. But as we see, it did go down. Looks like it came right back up. So it's trending up, it appears. So let's go ahead and look at these simulate trades and see how much we make. All we got to do, like I said, you can use your number, whatever number you want to invest. I'm using 3,000, and we're going to go through all of these tradings. And what we're going to simulate is we're going to simulate investing 3,000, buying in with $3,000, and then selling the profit and the initial investment, then buying back in at 3,000, and so on. All right. So all you got to do is convert this to a decimal and do 3,000 times 0.107, or you can do your number wherever that is times 0.107, for instance. So this 10.7 percent margin, our profit margin we'll get is $321 off of $3,000. Then that 7.2 will be $216. 15.5% will be $465. Then that 6.3 will be $189. Then that 9.4 will be $282. And we've still got $1,473. So that's not bad. We've reached our goal in just 26 days with 4 days left. But let's see if we were a little off and we were around the 70%. So times 0.7. And this represents not catching the very low or the very top by 15% margin on top and bottom for all the trades. And so that would be still over $1,000 and still have 4 days to go. So if your goal was to reach $1,000 for $3,000, congratulations, that happened. You were able to do it on these simulated trades. So we'll keep an eye on that, on the price action of Terra Luna Classic, just in case when we're ready to start swing trading, if it's one of the options that we'll choose. All right. So let's go and look at the tokenomics. Let's start with the current price, which is 40664, and it's 100% down from the all-time max. Of course, that means it's not even registering because it was $119 or something, 100 and some dollars. I don't remember the exact number, but it's way down. So it's number 230 on the market in market cap. This was in a top 100 probably this time last year. But market cap is 370 million. 24-hour trading is 16 million or 16.9, just under 17 million. Circulating supply, we've got 5 trillion. That's million, billion, trillion. Yep, 5.5 trillion. Total supply is 6.4 trillion. And you see when you get in the trillions, you get these zeros because there's so many of them. And then the good news is infinite, so they can pump more in there. Seems like that's what they did when it went from its all-time high, but I can't really speak on that right now. But like I said, we can research that and find that out in the future if need be. All right, so that was the tokenomics of Terra Luna Classic. So if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, when you do subscribe to the channel, you get notified when new materials posted. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and put that hashtag LUNC in the comments if you plan on investing in LUNC, or even if you want to do more research on it. And if you want to see other videos, other cryptos broken down in the same manner, go ahead and click that rectangle in the middle of your square or of your screen. And if you want to see what other type of videos this channel offers, click the circle in the bottom right. All right, so thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.